You want it to be real. You want it to be from my heart. You want real passion. Well, I do have real passion about the fake geek gods that are out there, about all the bullshit that people post on YouTube that's based on myths and legends and not strictly the facts. That's passion, people. Yes, this is my story to tell you, so you believe. Maybe you don't like my videos, but the truth is out there, and I'm going to find it. When is a lie a lie? When you misrepresent the truth and make it a fairy tale. Make it Greek mythology, or should I say geek mythology. That's what fires me up. Turning the tables on the fake geek gods and teaching you, helping you to understand who the forgotten geeks really are, the true inventors, the true innovators, the people who brought all this great technology to our world. You know what? I don't need no stinking script, because when I tell a story, I'm telling a story. It's me telling a story from my brain to you, and there ain't no AI that can recreate that, not my crazy brain. So remember, it's real, it's authentic, and God only knows where it goes from here.